Facebook tracks a lot more than just your posts. It also keeps tabs on your location. Here's how to turn off location tracking on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, and go into Settings. Now, look for location under the Permission section. This is where Facebook manages all tracking settings. Tap on Location Services and switch it off completely. If you still want Facebook to work without tracking everywhere you go, select while using the app instead of always. Next, disable location history. This stops Facebook from saving where you've been in the past. Just toggle it off and you're good to go. And for extra privacy, go to your phone's system settings. On iPhone, open Settings and then Privacy and then Location Services, then Facebook, and set it to never or while using. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Facebook, and then Permissions, press on Location, and deny access. And that's it. No more background tracking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.